You are not God. And that is not a weakness. It is a gift. In today's gospel, Jesus says, no servant is greater than his master. And yet, this master kneels down. He washes feet. He serves. The one who deserves everything chooses humility. And here we are, trying to control everything, trying to carry everything alone. That is why we are tired. That is why our hearts feel heavy. Jesus is teaching us a different way, not to be served, but to serve. Not to be in control, but to trust. Because humility is not thinking less of yourself. It is placing your life in God's hands. Today, Jesus is kneeling before you, not to judge you, but to love you. Not to burden you, but to lift you. Let Him be your Lord again, and you just be His. Amen.